How to create websites using Base44 AI. First, open your web browser and go to base44.com. Then, sign into your account or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're on the Base44 dashboard, enter a prompt describing the website you want to build. For example, type, "Create a modern portfolio website for a freelance graphic designer with a homepage, about page, portfolio, services, testimonials, and contact page." After entering your prompt, click Generate. Base44 AI will automatically build a complete website with pages, layouts, navigation, text, and visual elements based on your description. Once the website is ready, review the design and customize it. You can edit the text, replace images, change colors, adjust fonts, and rearrange sections using the built-in editor. When you're satisfied with your website, click Publish. If prompted, connect your custom domain or use the temporary domain provided by Base44. That's it. You've successfully created a website using Base44 AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials, website building tips, and easy tech guides.